Hello, good morning students. Today in this video we are going to study chapter number 1, that is of social studies of standard 6, and this is the new syllabus, and the new syllabus chapter number 1 is let's know the history. Let's know the history means we'll have to learn about history, that which are the information, which are the sources. With the help of that sources we come to know about the history. So in this chapter we have to learn and we have to get some information about history. That let's know means जानते हैं what, so history. Now it is written here that in your curriculum means in your syllabus. Curriculum मतलब in your syllabus. So in your syllabus of standard 6 we will know about an interesting subject of social science. So as far as this subject social science is concerned, we can say SS. Okay, it is very important subject because not only we get the information about present, but even we get the information about past, geography, economics, even social condition and all the things. So from here the question is there, and it is very important that social science gives us information about social world of men, like geography, economics, social conditions and institutions, political activities and organization. So the question is that which information we will get from social science, means social science से हमें कौन कौन सी information मिलती है. So social science gives us information about social world of men. Okay, we get the information about men and society, the society of a particular man. Not only that, but we get the information about geography, मतलब जो भी geographical condition है उसकी information, economics, then social conditions and institutions, whatever the social conditions are there. So that social condition मतलब सामाजिक जो condition है, society की जो conditions है उसकी information, and institutions मतलब जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, जो भी कमिटीज़ है, जो बड़ी बड़ी इंस्टीट्यूशन जिसको हम बोलेंगे उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिलेगी. देन पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़ मतलब रिलेटेड टू पॉलिटिक्स, रिलेटेड टू गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑल दैट थिंग, एंड इवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मतलब जो भी संस्था है उसके बारे में भी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलेगी. सो सोशल साइंस की स्टडी से मिलेगी. Subjects other than history introduce us with social life of present time. You know very well that if we are talking about history, so what is history? History considered with the past time. So we can get the information about past time from the history. Not only that, but some other subjects like geography, economics, social condition, institutions, political activities. With the help of that we can get the information about present time also. So what you have to remember, by the study of history we get the information about past time, but except history, if we are talking about geography, economics, social conditions, government situations, organization, then we will get the information about present time also. While history gives us the information about past of human society with the help of which we know our present. So that is also very important. If you want to get the information about present, so the knowledge of past is required. So how history help us? So history help us to know the present with the help of past. ओके, हिस्ट्री गिव्स अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट पास्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन सोसाइटी. जो हमारी अर्ली ह्यूमन्स की हम लोग बात करें या वो स्टेजेस की बात करें, तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें हिस्ट्री से जानने के लिए मिलती है. नॉट ओनली इन दैट, बट हाउ वॉज आवर एनेस्टर्स एंड ऑल द थिंग्स वी गेट फ्रॉम द हिस्ट्री. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ हिस्ट्री वी गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट पास्ट, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ पास्ट वी कम टू नो अबाउट प्रेजेंट. तो हमें प्रेजेंट अगर जानना है तो पास्ट इज वेरी रिक्वायर्ड और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. नाउ इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू नो अबाउट सोशल लाइफ ऑफ प्रेजेंट टाइम विदाउट हैविंग द नॉलेज ऑफ पास्ट. सो इज इट पॉसिबल दैट वी कैन गेट द, if we have the knowledge of present time, so without the having of past, is it possible? Means the meaning is that if we want to know about present and if we don't have the information about past, so is it possible that we get the knowledge of present? So of course the answer is no. अगर हमारे पास पास्ट का नॉलेज नहीं होगा तो हमें प्रेजेंट की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलनी चाहिए वो प्रेजेंट की इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें मिलेगी नहीं. मीन्स इफ वी वांट टू लर्न द प्रेजेंट मीन्स दैट the knowledge of past is required. We must have the knowledge of past if we want to study present. Now about which information we get from the past. So how was man's life when he had not started using fire? Means if we are talking about early humans, so you know very well, okay, if we are talking about early humans, so they didn't have the knowledge about fire, wheel, how to cook, what to eat, what to do, anything. So how they started their life without fire? अगर fire नहीं थी तो how they started their life? Imagine how much we have been life of people without agriculture, roads, transportation, houses, etc. Now you have to do the imagination that if in a present time we don't have agriculture मतलब farming, okay, if we don't have farming, if we don't have roads, if we don't have transportation मतलब to go from one place to another place, that is our transportation. Okay, so if we don't have the agriculture, if we don't have roads, if we don't have transportation and houses, then how we can live the life? How much or how many difficulties we have to follow, that will have to imagine. Means we can say we don't live our life. Why we don't live our life? Because our life is full of, we can say, facilities. अगर वन डे हमारे घर पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती है तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो विदाउट एग्रीकल्चर, विदाउट रोड, विदाउट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड विदाउट हाउस, वी कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन आवर लाइफ. And if we imagine our life, so that is full of obstacles. History gives us information regarding to all such aspects. And which kind of information we are getting from history? So we get the information about these kind of things, means how the early humans lived their life, agriculture and all that thing. Now it is very important. History takes us to the different world of past. What is the importance of history? So while we studying history, so we get the information about different places or different world or different places of past. मतलब जो वर्ल्ड के दूसरे प्लेसेस है उसके बारे में भी पास्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कहाँ से मिलेगी? इफ़ वी स्टडी द हिस्ट्री. Means history gives us information about customs. So what is customs? Customs means manners, or we can say habit or fashion. Okay, so that is considered as custom. And tradition मतलब हमारी जो भी परंपरा है वो बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. बिलीव्स मतलब हमारी मान्यता. डाइट मतलब फूड. एंड ड्रेस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट जनरेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज जनरेशन? जनरेशन मतलब जैसे टाइम पास होगा वैसे जो भी चेंजेस आएंगे. मतलब सपोज योर फादर इज देयर, देन आफ्टर यू आर देयर, देन आफ्टर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, सो लाइक दैट. सो हिस्ट्री गिव्स अस द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशन, बिलीफ, डाइट, ड्रेस ऑफ पीपल एंड डिफरेंट जनरेशंस. We feel as if we are wandering in some other world, and if we are studying history then definitely we feel, मतलब जब हम लोग हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं तो हमें ऐसा फील होता है कि हम कोई एक दूसरे वर्ल्ड में सेटल्ड हो गए हैं. ओके, सो हिस्ट्री, द स्टडी ऑफ हिस्ट्री इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. You must be thinking, why should we study about human society of the past? So definitely the question is there in the mind that ma'am, we are living in present, then what is the need to learn the history, or why should we learn the past? So that is very important, because I already told to you that if we want to get the knowledge of present, so we must have the knowledge of past. So studying of history is very important. Now it is very important. History is not only related with matters of past but also act as a record with the current system. Record मतलब connection. Okay, so not only it is giving us the information or matters related to the past, but it is also considered and it is also connected with the present or current system. करंट मतलब प्रेजेंट सिस्टम, डे टू डे सिस्टम. तो हिस्ट्री के बारे में हमें कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी? पास्ट की तो मिलेगी ही मिलेगी, बट वी कैन से दैट इट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद द करंट सिस्टम और कनेक्टेड विद द प्रेजेंट सिस्टम. व्हाट वेर अवर एंसेस्टर्स मतलब हमारे जो पूर्वज थे, आगे के जो लोग थे वो कैसे थे? वेयर डिड दे लिव, व्हाट डिड दे ईट, History gives us information about such matters. So definitely the question is that if we are studying the history, so which kind of information we are getting from history? So what were our ancestors, मतलब हमारे जो पूर्वज थे, मतलब हमारे जो अर्ली ह्यूमन्स थे वो कैसे थे, कहाँ पे रहते थे, क्या खाते थे, each and every information we are getting from the each and every information we are getting with the help of history. It informs us about changes that have occurred in the human life. Now you know very well that if we are talking about early humans, so they don't have they didn't have their house or home, even they didn't know how to cook food and all the things. So the changes are there. Like if we are talking about early human, तो early human से आज हम लोग बने हैं modern human, तो वो जो जर्नी है उसमें कौन कौन से चेंजेस आए, all the things we are getting and all the information we are getting while we are studying the history. So the study of history is very important. Now very important topic is that tools and resources to know the history. Which are the tools, मतलब कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, एंड रिसोर्सेज मतलब कौन कौन से ऐसे टूल्स है जिससे हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, वी कैन से ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन और वैलिड इंफॉर्मेशन. सो से Chintan read a newspaper. Now one character is there and the name of that boy is Chintan. So he read the newspaper. Now see what is there in the newspaper. A 4,000 years old city has been discovered in Kutch of Gujarat. Discovered मतलब find out करना, okay, find it out. So एक information है जहाँ पे कितने ईयर की ओल्ड सिटी है, तो 4,000 ईयर ओल्ड सिटी डिस्कवर्ड हुई, मतलब फाइंड की. कहाँ पे? तो कच्छ प्लेस है गुजरात में, वहाँ पे एक ऐसी मतलब ओल्ड जो प्लेस है वो सिटी डिस्कवर्ड हुई, फाइंड हुई. द थिंग इज दैट मीन्स दिस काइंड ऑफ न्यूज़ इज देयर इन द न्यूज़ पेपर. ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड मीन्स ही वॉज शॉक्ड. हाउ कैन वी नो दैट दिस सिटी इज 4,000 years old? Who might have built it and how? What was the diet of the people there? What type of clothes they must have been wearing, and how can we know the history? Now as soon as he read the information in the newspaper that from Kutch of Gujarat, one city, 4,000 year old city has been discovered. So the questions arise in his mind. Which type of question arise in his mind? So how can we know that this city is 4,000 years old? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये सिटी जो है वो 4,000 years ही ओल्ड है? Who might have built and how? वो सिटी किसने बिल्ट की और कैसे बिल्ट की? What was the diet of the people there? And the people, those who lived over there before 4,000 years, what was the diet? उन लोगों का फूड क्या था? What type of clothes they must have been wearing? वो कैसे क्लोथ पहनते थे? And how can we knew the history? हमें वो हिस्ट्री की इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे मिलेगी? इट्स सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर इन हिज माइंड. सो सी वन क्वेश्चन इज हियर, हाउ कैन वी नो दैट दिस सिटी इज 4,000 years ओल्ड? मीन्स कोई एक प्रॉपर कोई प्लेस हमने फाइंड किया या कोई चीज़ फाइंड की, तो वो कितने ईयर पुरानी है वो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे मिलेगी? सो वन साइंटिफिक प्रोसेस इज देयर, दैट इज C14. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कार्बन डेटिंग सिस्टम. Alright, carbon dating system. So with the help of C14 or carbon dating system, we come to know about the things that how much it is, how many years it is old. Like it is written here that how can we know that this city is 4,000 year old? तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि कोई place या कोई city या कोई चीज़ इतनी पुरानी है? तो with the help of C14 means carbon dating system हमें वो information मिलेगी. We have different tools to know the history. Now which are the tools or which are the sources? With the help of that we come to know about history. So first source that is very important, Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. We can say palm leaves and birch bark. Okay, Tadpatra is considered or it is known as palm leaves, and Bhojpatra that is the birch or birch bark. So in the ancient time, men used palm leaves and birch bark of writing what we call manuscript today. आज हम लोग जो manuscript की बात करें और written script की बात करें, So we have paper, okay, we have the computer and all that thing, so we are using that thing. But earlier in ancient, what is ancient? Ancient matlab old time. Okay, in old time people used tadpatra, or we can say palm leaves, and even we can say bhojpatra. Tadpatra means manuscripts written on the leaves of palm leaves. So what is tadpatra? Manuscript matlab the things, written articles. Okay, written articles. रिटन आर्टिकल्स कहाँ पे लिखे हैं? तो पाम लीव्स के ऊपर जो रिटन आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज ताड़पत्र. व्हाट इज भोजपत्र? तो भोजपत्र मीन्स मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स रिटन ऑन द बर्च बार्क which is found in the Himalayas. So again it's very important, and in fill-ups the question might be there that from where we get Bhojpatra. So generally we found the Bhojpatra in the Himalayas region. So Bhojpatra means what? So Bhojpatra means manuscript, मतलब written article where, so on the birch bark, birch की bark मतलब जो छाल होती है उसके ऊपर लिखी हुई information. With the help of manuscripts written on the palm leaves and bark of birch, we get information about the language and lifestyle. So definitely the question is there in your mind that which kind of information we are getting from palm leaves, or we can say tadpatra or bhojpatra. So we get the information about their language. उन लोगों की language कैसी थी उसकी information, then the lifestyle, उन लोगों की lifestyle कैसी थी वो सारी information हमें कहाँ से पता चलेगी? So with manuscripts जो कहाँ पे लिखी है? ताड़पत्र and भोजपत्र. Many such manuscripts have been found. और वो जो बहुत पुराने ईयर की जो manuscripts है मतलब भोजपत्र एंड ताड़पत्र वो भी हमें आज मतलब फाइंड आउट करके मिले हैं. You will have here in this slide you will have the photograph of ताड़पत्र and भोजपत्र. Okay, and some information is written here. So these kind of information, with the help of these we can come to know about the language of that particular era or time. Era means time, right? So here you have the picture of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. So we get the information about the language and lifestyle and all the things with the help of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Such manuscripts have been preserved. Preserved करना मतलब store करके रखना. Okay. इन टेम्पल्स एंड मोनेस्ट्रीज. मोनेस्ट्रीज मतलब आश्रम. कहाँ पे उन लोगों को स्टोर करके संभाल करके रखे हैं? तो इन सम ऑफ द टेम्पल्स. स्पेशली इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेम्पल्स तो विहार विच इज़ कंसिडर्ड विद द जैनिज्म. ओके, जैनिज्म से कनेक्टेड विहार है, मतलब उन लोगों के जो साधु होते हैं उन लोगों के लिए रहने की जगह होती है, दैट इज़ विहार. तो वहाँ पे हमें मिलेगी. एंड मोनास्ट्रीज मतलब आश्रम में. They have text in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. Again it's very important that if we are talking about the Tadpatra, Bhojpatra and manuscript, so which language we can find over there? So the languages which we get, that is Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. It's very important. Even poems, dramas, stories and epics. What is epics? Epics मतलब long poems. Okay, if we are talking about long poems, then simple poems, dramas, stories were also written on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Not only that only the basic informations are there, but even poems, dramas मतलब जो भी नाटक जैसा होता है, stories, epics मतलब long poems, all the things even written on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. We have also been preserved मतलब store करके रखे हैं in the form of books. So here means we have means the government or any particular region have stored them or preserved them in a form of books. एक बुक्स बना के उन लोगों को क्या किया है, मतलब जो भोजपत्र ताड़पत्र है उनको प्रिजर्व किया है. They give us knowledge about customs. I already told to you what is customs, manners, habit, fashion, all that thing. Tradition, social belief मतलब सामाजिक जो भी मान्यता है वो, lifestyle of kings, science, education, medicines, animals, etc. So which kind of knowledge we are getting or we get with the help of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra? Again it's very important that we will give they will give, or we can say they give us the knowledge. They means Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, or we can say we get the knowledge about customs, tradition, social belief, lifestyle of kings, science, education, medicines, animal, etc. with the help of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Here you have the photograph of Pandu manuscript, okay, or manuscript and Bhojpatra in this slide. You can say this is the bark, we can say, or skin of the tree. भोजपत्र, ओके। एंड ये ही जो मतलब बार्क होती है उसका यूज़ करके वो लोग क्या करते थे, उसके ऊपर अलग अलग जो उन लोगों की लैंग्वेज थी वो लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करके दे आर राइटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन इट। देन सेकेंड वन इज इंस्क्रिप्शन। सो व्हाट इज इंस्क्रिप्शन? इंस्क्रिप्शन मतलब जो स्टोन्स होते हैं उसके ऊपर कार्विंग करके, मतलब कोतर काम करके जो भी हम लोग लिखते हैं, सो दैट इज इंस्क्रिप्शन। सी इट इज रिटन हियर, articles which are carved on metals and stones are called stone inscription. Not only on the stones but sometimes on the metals also, some articles carved over there and the information is there, so they are called stone inscription. We can know about history from stone inscription. Many times inscriptions were done on metal also. Not only, I already told to you कि खाली stones के ऊपर नहीं थे, खाली स्टोन्स के ऊपर नहीं थे। वी गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन और दैट इंस्क्रिप्शंस विच वर रिटन ऑन द मेटल ऑल्सो। नाउ हाउ किंग यूज्ड, वो किंग कैसे इंस्क्रिप्शन का यूज़ करते थे? तो किंग्स यूज टू कन्वर्स विद पीपल बाई कार्विंग हिज ऑर्डर्स एंड कमांड्स ऑन दिस रॉक्स। कन्वर्स करना मतलब कम्युनिकेट करना, बातचीत करना। कैसे वो लोग कन्वर्स करते थे? विद पीपल। तो बाई कार्विंग हिज ऑर्डर, जो भी किंग्स के ऑर्डर थे वो किस में करवाते थे? वो स्टोन्स या तो रॉक्स के ऊपर कार्व करवा देते थे, एंड इवन जो भी कमांड्स होते थे वो। मैनी किंग्स एंड क्वींस हैव इंस्क्राइब्ड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट देयर किंगडम, विक्ट्रीज, रिलीजियन, कल्चर एंड अदर स्टोन्स। सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो किंग्स थे वो खाली ऑर्डर या तो कमांड देने के लिए ही वो इंस्क्रिप्शन यूज़ नहीं करते थे, बट समटाइम्स टू गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट देयर किंगडम, मतलब जो उन लोगों का राज्य था। विक्ट्रीज मतलब जो उन लोगों ने जीत हासिल की थी, मतलब जो विनिंग फाइट हुए थे वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन। रिलीजन, कौन कौन से रिलीजन थे। देन देयर कल्चर एंड ऑल द थिंग्स which were already we can say inscribed on the stones and plates. Stone inscription of Asoka are very famous, and the scriptures written on these are long lasting. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कोई वेरी फेमस इंस्क्रिप्शंस है तो वो कौन से है? किंग अशोका के हैं। और जो भी रिटन इंफॉर्मेशन है कहाँ पे? इंस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स ऑन स्टोन्स एंड मेटल्स, दे आर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम चलने जैसा है। आई होप दिस टू टूल्स, दैट इज द ताड़पत्र, भोजपत्र एंड इवन इंस्क्रिप्शन with which we are getting the information about history, that is clear to you. But still you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box, so I will try to solve your doubt. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.